All right, so our windshield wiper light has just come on, so we need to add fluid. So today I'm gonna add the windshield washer fluid to a 2019 Subaru Impreza. I'm gonna add the car running, saw the notice. We're gonna cut that off. We're gonna come down here. Right here is our hood release. Pop the hood release. Make sure that we have windshield wiper fluid. This is good down to 25 degrees. So if you live in a cold place, they do make extra cold windshield washer fluid. And why don't you just use water in your windshield wipers? It's because it can freeze. So there's a little bit of something in here to keep it from freezing. So we're gonna come over here. There is our secondary latch. We're gonna just so you can orient yourself, we got our logo here. Your hand slides in. I feel a little tab kind of down at a 45-degree angle. Pop that up. Then we grab our little kickstand here. Let's see. And that goes in there. Then we're going to identify our windshield wiper fluid. It is this guy with the big windshield wiper sign. One thing you can do is, if this is really annoying, you could just take this whole thing off. Put it to the side. Don't forget to put it back on, but that will want to stay closed. It's really annoying. When you take this off, make sure that none of these bits can fall inside. That's a really important little tip there. You can use a funnel if you like, but we just pour this in. Okay, my pouring skills are not so good. But pour it in and fill it up. And I'm just filling and filling. The fill line marker is this marker right here, so you can pretty much fill this all the way up. Some fluids in the car you don't want to fill up because they heat up, but this one you can fill all the way to the top. I was able to put this whole jug in and probably could fit a little bit more, so put it in. We're going to get our cap back on. And that's shut. Just, make sure the foil doesn't fall in. You can fill it all the way up. I poured half of it on the engine, but it happens. And that's how you top off your windshield wiper fluid on a Impreza. This will work from 2017 to all the way up to 2020, but for most cars, it is the same thing. So, all right, if this was helpful, subscribe and we'll see you next time. Oh, but don't forget, close the hood. Make sure that goes into its little home right there. Then drop this so you have a couple inches and let it fall. Okay, now subscribe and we'll see you next time.